kicking off our CES roundup with a familiar category, chargers and docks. Anker, Belkin, and Baseus all pushed the envelope on key 2 speeds, magnetic attachments, and smarter interfaces. Anker debuted a 45-watt Nano Charger with a front-facing smart display, a foldable plug, model-aware power delivery, plus a 25-watt prime wireless station and a 13-in-1 Nano Dock. Prices and pre-order discounts were part of the story. Belkin showed modular Key 2.2 docks and magnetic power banks, and Baseus trotted out a 15-in-1 desktop dock with a flip-up 25-watt Key 2 pad. Short version, chargers are getting faster, cooler, and more feature-rich.
That sounds like chargers finally grew up. But what's actually new under the hood here? Is it mostly marketing or real improvements?
It's real. Key 2 is becoming standardized at higher speeds, think 25 watts for phones, and manufacturers are adding thermal controls like Ankers, air-cool, and even displays that report power and temperature in real time. The Anker Nano Charger also claims model detection and a care mode to reduce battery temps, which helps longevity. From a practical standpoint, you get faster wireless with better thermal management, more modular docks for tidy desks, and magnetic rings so accessories snap on cleanly.
Any catches?
Mostly expect higher prices on premium docks and compatibility caveats for watch and older devices. But the timing is neat. Many items ship late January through Q1, and vendors are offering early discounts. So it's a good time to upgrade if you need a consolidated charging setup.
And for the person who still uses a tangled mess of cables?
Buy a nano power strip, clamp it to your desk, call it therapy.
Shifting gears to chips, Qualcomm used CES to expand beyond phones. The Snapdragon X Elite Plus is aimed at Copilot Plus Windows laptops. With a 3rd-gen Oryon CPU and an 80 TOPS neural engine, while Dragonwing IQ10 targets robotics and edge vision. High-level, more local AI, better efficiency, and a broader IoT and automotive play. Okay, but how does the X Elite Plus stack up for regular laptops? Are we talking niche silicon or something that can compete with Intel and AMD?
Qualcomm is clearly targeting mainstream and budget Windows laptops. The X Elite Plus promises up to 35% better single-core performance versus prior generations, with improved multi-core and up to 29% faster graphics on the Adreno side, per Qualcomm. The 80 TOPS neural engine is the headline for AI inference on device. That matters for Copilot Plus features and battery life. For users, it means longer runtimes for AI tasks without cloud round trips.
And Dragonwing, robotics is a crowded field. Why should makers care?
Dragonwing IQ10 is designed for edge vision and robotics workloads. Purpose-built I/O, optimized neural inference, and developer tooling. Qualcomm is packaging a general-purpose robotics architecture to lower the barrier for manufacturers to add local AI perception and control. It's strategic. Tie chips to vehicles and home platforms, and you build an ecosystem that goes beyond phones.
So more chips, more on-device AI, and a longer list of non-phone use cases. I can live with that.
Next up, Amazon opened Alexa Plus on the web to early access users. You can sign up at alexa.com and use the upgraded assistant from a browser, not just Echo or Fire devices. It mirrors the device experience with smart home control, recipe customization, and a navigation sidebar. Why does web access matter?
It's a big strategic move. By moving Alexa Plus into browsers, Amazon makes the assistant platform agnostic and positions it to compete with ChatGPT and Google Gemini. It also broadens reach for partners. Bosch announced a personal AI barista powered by Alexa Plus for espresso machines, and integrations are expanding into Ring and BMW. For users, web access means you can interact with Alexa Plus from any computer without owning an Echo.
Any privacy or business model questions on the horizon?
Amazon has said Alexa Plus is still early access and hinted at a future paywall for premium features. Privacy and data usage will be something to watch as the assistant moves into new domains and partners. For now, it's a clever way to expand usage and collect feedback.
Also helpful if you misplace your Echo or your patience. Samsung grabbed attention with a jaw-dropping 130-inch Micro RGB TV concept and an expanded Vision AI ecosystem plus new music studio speakers. The set is a proof of concept with AI image processing and claims of wide color coverage. Samsung also previewed smaller Micro RGB sizes.
A 130-inch TV feels like a museum piece.
Is there substance beyond the spectacle?
There is. Micro RGB uses red, green, and blue LEDs for brighter images and tighter color control versus white backlit mini LEDs. Samsung paired it with an AI engine for upscaling and scene optimization and integrated Vision AI features for contextual, conversational TV experiences. The music studio speakers add spatial audio and multi-unit setups for flexible home audio.
Any practical notes for consumers?
This remains largely a concept, with pricing unannounced. Previous jumbo models were expensive, but the tech indicates a trend. Premium displays will combine advanced LED architectures with on-device AI for improved picture and smart features. If you want this level of immersion, expect to wait and pay a premium. If you want AI-driven sound and better mid-size TVs, those upgrades will trickle down sooner.
So stage show now, mainstream features later. Also, maybe don't try to fit a 130-inch into a studio apartment.
Rounding out our set, Google TV is getting deeper Gemini integration. New features include Google Photos search and remixing, natural language TV settings, and on-TV media generation using Nano Banana and Veo models. TCL TVs get the update first. Editing photos and generating video on a TV. Useful or gimmick?
Both, depending on how you use it. Gemini can search your photos library, remix images into styles, or compile slideshows for the big screen. Voice control to adjust picture or audio without digging menus is genuinely handy. The Nano Banana and Veo models enable on-device generation for quick creative experiments. Think family slideshows remixed or short-generated clips.
Any concerns?
Expect rollout delays across manufacturers and typical trust questions around generated media and privacy. Also, on-device generation quality will improve over time. Early demos look promising for casual use, but won't replace professional tools.
So a big step towards smarter, more creative TVs, and another reason to argue about what's appropriate for the family slideshow.
Exactly. It's TV evolution. Less manual tinkering, more AI as remote control, and a sprinkle of fun generation features. The preceding audio summary was created at jesterengine.com, where you can find and verify the original sources.